Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2006 Harley-Davidson Screamin' Eagle Fat Boy with 9,374 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It's been upgraded with an air cleaner and a backrest docking kit. We have installed a new rear tire on this bike. Stylish and rowdy, the Screamin' Eagle Fat Boy stands out with stunning paint scheme and factory custom details. Powered by a 103 cubic inch V-twin motor, the Fat Boy puts 96 foot-pounds of torque through a 5-speed transmission. It weighs in at 702 pounds and has a 25.7 inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.